Tornado warning for Austin the other day, and the little funnel cloud we had in East Austin. Yeah. We never had a tornado touchdown here, but the same tropical storm did produce that tornado that we saw yesterday in Dallas, and the National Weather Service today said that was an EF2 in downtown Dallas. That's unusually strong for a tropical tornado. That means it had winds of between 111 and 135 miles per hour. Now, there were a total of 6 tornadoes in North Texas yesterday, tropical tornadoes primarily. 4 of them were EF0s. That's 65 to 85 mile an hour winds. That's what we expect with tropical tornadoes, but one of them was an EF1. You saw the damage, I'm sure, yesterday. We were showing you this video, the 18-wheeler thrown into a warehouse and other homes taken off there in some of the suburbs. Quite a wild day up there. A little quieter back here at home tonight. No rain today for the first time since Labor Day. Our monthly total, a foot. 9 days into September, and we have a foot of rain, which is just about our surplus, 11 inches for the month. And our 2010 surplus is now a foot and a half there, or 12.48 inches to be exact, meaning that this is more than our normal yearly rainfall. 35 inches of rain, so if we don't see rain the rest of the year, we're going to be above normal for the 2010 calendar. Now, we'll be very dry by then. Let's hope that we do, but we could take a few days to dry out here, couldn't we? Lake Buchanan, not affected much by the rain, believe it or not. Lake Buchanan can't catch a break when we get these kind of systems. Travis, however, is up 5 feet since the rain started on Tuesday and may go up about another 2 feet, the LCRA says. It's 7 feet above its average elevation. So good news there. Flooding. We can't even measure Barton Springs right now because it's flooding so bad. Skies are clear tonight. 81 degrees here in the capital city right now. By sunup, 77. By noon, 88, and it's going to be real hot and humid again tomorrow, a high of 94. At this hour, upper 70s and low 80s, but it does feel hotter with this 74 and 77% humidity. Skies clear, 81 in the city, 81 at ABIA. South-southeast winds at 6, and at the airport, the winds are south at 7. Mold are going to be crazy the next few days. 1338 high today. Fall elm also high, ragweed low. Similar counts tomorrow, except for the mold, which will probably be higher. Temperatures mainly in the 80s around Texas tonight, warm and humid. Some showers out in West Texas. Will trough out there. Hermine is gone, though. We saw a couple of isolated showers here today. That's it. The old tropical depression, now just a low-pressure area moving through southern Missouri. Well, we have a little front headed our way. It probably won't get all the way down here, but it probably will get south of I-20 by Saturday. And so we could see a few isolated showers or thunderstorms get into our area, mainly our northern and western counties on Saturday. A slightly better chance on Sunday. You'll see that in the 7-day forecast coming up. Is this going to be our next tropical storm, Julia, out here in the Caribbean? Probably. It's going to head across the Caribbean and very easily could get into the Gulf of Mexico by early next week. What happened to the I storm? Igor formed yesterday, actually, near the Cape Verde Islands, weakened to a tropical depression today. However, it is forecast to become a tropical storm again tomorrow and then potentially a Category 2 hurricane by early next week, but likely shifting to the northeast like Danielle and Earl did and not entering the Gulf. So we'll have to worry about Julia, but I don't think Igor. Temperatures tonight, warm, muggy in the 70s. Temperatures tomorrow, hot, humid, even a little hotter than today, probably close to the mid-90s. In Austin tonight, 77. Some low cloudiness coming in with a south wind. Tomorrow, let's go 94. It'll feel more like 104 with south winds and partly sunny skies. All right, that rain chance for the weekend, slight, 10% Saturday, 20% Sunday. Temperatures, though, as we go through the weekend and next week, that's above normal. We're supposed to be cool into the low 90s here in mid-September. It looks more like late July, early August there, doesn't it? Tomorrow morning, we're still tracking the effects of Hermine on Austin News Today and your weekend weather and traffic, too, together every 10 minutes beginning at 5.